Feed in braids is one of my favorite hairstyles. A lot of people can't enjoy this hairstyle because the technique is not easy for everyone. This is why I created attachment braids. They are for people who simply can't master the feed-in technique. Attachment braids are a fun way to add a temporary protective style. They are for people of all ages. They are applied using products we use on a regular basis. The braids are made with standard braiding weave and add fullness to a braid style. You can use straight or kinky hair to make these braids. When applying, you don't have to pull tight on your hair or your edges to get this style. This makes it a great protective style. I create hair accessories and hair tutorials. My focus is on healthy hair maintenance. Attachment braids are one of many hairstyle ideas I have in mind. I am working on making them a household product. In this video, I show you how they work. This is not a tutorial video. I am showing my idea to see if I can garner interest. If I do, then I will focus on tutorial videos that show how they are done. Hit the subscribe and like button and help me grow my channel. Thanks for watching.